Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out the STUDIOFINIX 6.5-inch 400W outdoor speakers, a pair of wired, waterproof, passive wall-mount speakers that are built to bring high-quality sound to your patio, poolside, home, or garage. If you've been looking for a reliable set of speakers that deliver both power and durability without breaking the bank, this might be the perfect option for you. These speakers feature 6.5-inch drivers paired with 1-inch dome tweeters, designed to provide a balanced audio experience. The result is rich bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, giving you a full soundstage that works equally well for music, podcasts, or even enhancing your outdoor movie nights. With a total power handling of 400 watts per pair, these passive speakers deliver enough volume and clarity to fill medium to large spaces with immersive sound. Because they're passive, they're designed to work with an amplifier or receiver, giving you more control over your audio setup and letting you customize your sound system exactly the way you like it. One of the most important features for outdoor use is durability, and STUDIOFINIX doesn't disappoint here. These speakers are IP66 waterproof rated, which means they can withstand rain, splashes, and humidity. Whether mounted by the pool, under a patio roof, or in a garage, you won't have to worry about them being damaged by the elements. The wall-mountable design makes installation simple, and the included brackets let you angle the speakers to project sound exactly where you want it. Their sleek white finish blends in seamlessly with most outdoor and indoor environments, making them not just functional, but also visually appealing. Connectivity is straightforward with standard speaker wire terminals, so setup is as easy as connecting them to your existing amplifier or stereo system. Once they're mounted and powered up, you'll be ready to enjoy consistently clear, powerful sound day after day. If you're after a durable, weatherproof, and powerful outdoor speaker system that's perfect for patios, garages, pools, or porches, the STUDIOFINIX 6.5-inch 400W passive speakers are an excellent choice to consider. Check out the link in the description to grab your set today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews here on Gadgetverse.